With just one sale, I just became $4,000 richer. Can you for a moment imagine that hitting your bank account right now? Yes, it's really possible to make money like this, but I have to warn you, this isn't affiliate marketing or trading a dumb meme crypto coin. This is what TikTok, Amazon, Walmart, Tesla, and Nvidia all are doing right now. And if you stick with me till the end, I'm not just going to show you how you can create this automated income for yourself, but also how you can actually get other people to build this business for you. Yes, people will actually build your business for you, and it costs you nothing. What is this crazy new trend? Who is using it? And why do you need to make sure you jump in immediately? Pay attention. This is nuts. Number one, what is this that I'm doing that is working so well right now? It is the Profitably method, and it has allowed me and will allow you to be able to earn money like this and like this. And if you want to know who's actually using it, take a look at Grant Cardone. Take a look at Patrick Bet-David. Take a look at TikTok, Amazon, Elon Musk. They all are capitalizing on you. Your attention is worth so much money. And if you can learn and utilize the same method, you can do the same thing and use other people's attention to generate your own income. Here's why you need to jump in and how easy it can actually be for you. This strategy I am about to show you is not producing billions or hundreds of billions. It is producing trillions of dollars online every single year. And right now, there are only 3 different places that are actually teaching this Profitably method in a way that is simple, that anyone can do it, and that you don't need any prior experience of any kind. Hold on to your seats. So here are the 3 best places right now that you can start your own business that isn't affiliate marketing, it isn't drop shipping, or any other trend or thing that's going on right now that's actually not working. It's just what gurus and people are trying to sell you so they can make money. And there's 3 of them. I'm going to go through each of them, and you're going to see that in order. It starts with this one right here, which is probably the number 1 in the industry right now, what everyone is doing, like everyone is jumping on this, followed by number 2, which is almost just as good, but it's different, and so is number 3. Number 3, I'm going to make this a different color. Number 3 is a little bit different too. So they all have their own amazing benefits, but you're going to find one by one which of these presents and gifts identifies with you that you feel like is a good option for you to get started with right now to make those big and small, but also those big payments that you're looking to make right now. So first of all, let's do a little drum roll for number 1, which is profitably.com. If you're on my channel, you might have heard me talk about this before, and it's for a good reason. This is my own company. By the way, you're going to see these other ones too. But profitably.com is my own company that I'm launching to help regular, everyday people start their own business from home in their spare time. It is less than $5 a day. Less than $5 a day. Literally less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks to get started with this. At least check it out. Or go to profitably.com or profitably.com/register to find out more and just learn about it and see if it resonates with you. And I'll actually show you a little bit of it right now here live, because what you get with this that you don't get anywhere else, you don't get with the second or the third option, is you get your own one-on-one personal mentor, along with 24/7 live support in a group community that everyone is a part of. Meaning you get to actually work one-on-one with someone for less than $5 a day to start your own business of your own. First of all, the tax write-offs for starting your own business is phenomenal. This is not financial advice, but it is true the tax write-offs can be stupendous. Along with developing your own income stream and making those big $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, or $7,000 payments, it just changes people's lives. So there's number 1, Profitably, followed by number 2. And number 3 actually is probably better than number 2 because it's a lot more automated. Now, all these options are automated and work well, but I'll walk through the difference between them all. Number 2 is publishing.com. This is also a decent option for you to go with. And publishing.com, what they do a little bit different than what we do is they're focused mainly on Audible and Amazon. Now, what I think is different than profitably.com, the third option, and publishing.com is publishing.com allows you to make money, like good money. But there are A, really small payments, and number 2, it's building a different platform's entire presence. You're not building your own name. You're not building your own brand, which is different than what you get taught at profitably.com and this other resource I'm going to give to you. So publishing.com is a good option. They are a great company. They're doing exceptionally well. Again, however, the only difference is it depends if you care about building your own name, your own brand, and making more money and much bigger payments. That's where you're going to not want to go with publishing.com, because while they are a good company, they have great resources, great training, great support. You're building Amazon. You're building Kindle. You're not building you and your database of money and income streams. So publishing.com is another option. However, I think number one or number three is going to be your best options. Number 3 is greatlifemoney.com. And the reason why greatlifemoney.com is so amazing and so simple is because all the legwork is done for you. All you have to do is get people to go to one single link. You'll go through the whole process. When you go to greatlifemoney.com, you type in URL and you get started, you're going to see that it literally is just one step. It's the most simple. Out of these 3 platforms, it's definitely the most simple for starting your own business, that you can create an automated income stream that is freeing for you. However, it's hard to rank these. Definitely if you want bigger payments, like really big payments, big money coming in, profitably.com is going to be your number 1 choice. If you want to not deal with such big payments, want lower payments, but it's more automated, more simple. This is definitely a little bit more simple. Go to greatlifemoney.com. And if you don't care about building your own name, your own brand, and you don't want to make as much money, and you want to build someone else's database, someone else's team, someone else's company, like you basically want to make Amazon, you want to make Amazon money? I don't think so. Then go to publishing.com. But if you want to make you money, if you want to make you money right now in big and small ways, I suggest either greatlifemoney.com or profitably.com to go ahead and get started.